In every life, setbacks occur. But the real story is in the comeback. It's about realizing that it's not the fall that defines us, but how we rise. It's about turning those very setbacks into comebacks. It's about embracing change, shifting gears from a setback mentality to a comeback mentality. It's about realizing that your past does not dictate your future. It's about maintaining a positive attitude, even when the odds seem stacked against you. Because remember, your setback may have set the stage, but your comeback is the main event. Regrets can anchor you to the past. It's time to cut loose and sail towards your comeback. You see, regrets are like heavy stones we carry in our hearts. They weigh us down, prevent us from moving forward. However, it's essential to remember that we are not defined by our past failures. They are not life sentences, but lessons that shape us. Releasing these regrets is like shedding a heavy coat on a warm day. It's liberating, refreshing. It allows us to breathe again, to run again. Unburdened, we can sprint towards our dreams with renewed vigor, leaving the past behind. But it's not just about releasing regrets, it's also about maintaining confidence. Confidence is the fuel that powers our journey towards personal growth and success. It's the inner voice that says, "I can," even when the world around us screams, "You can't." Confidence is not about arrogance or delusion. It's about knowing your worth, recognizing your potential, and stepping boldly into the unknown, armed with the belief that you can overcome whatever lies ahead. It's about refusing to let the ghosts of past failures haunt your present or dictate your future. So, release those regrets. Let them go. They don't serve you anymore. Maintain your confidence. Keep it stoked. Keep it burning. Leave the past in the past and let your confidence guide you to your comeback. Change is the only constant. Embrace it and let it lead you to your dreams. In the grand scheme of life, dreams act as your compass, guiding you towards your desired destination. They're not mere figments of your imagination, but are indeed the driving force that propels you forward. They push you to strive, to evolve, and to break free from the confines of complacency. But to make these dreams a reality, change is inevitable. It's like the tide that shapes the shore, gradually but persistently. Change can indeed be intimidating. It's a journey into the unknown, a step away from the familiar. However, it's this very uncertainty that paves the way for growth. Embracing change isn't about disregarding the past or fearing the future. It's about acknowledging the present as a stepping stone to the future you envision. It's about recognizing that every moment, every decision, every setback, and every triumph is shaping you into the person capable of achieving your dreams. So, hold on to your dreams. Let them be your guiding light in the darkest of times, and your source of inspiration when you're on the brink of giving up. Remember, change isn't about becoming someone else, it's about becoming who you were always meant to be. Your dreams aren't just fantasies, they're the blueprints of your comeback. Faith, perseverance, and self-belief are the pillars of a successful comeback. Picture this: you're standing at the edge of a precipice, your dreams shimmering on the horizon. The chasm between where you are and where you wish to be seems insurmountable. But within you there are three forces that can help you build a bridge across this chasm: faith, perseverance, and self-belief. Faith is the cornerstone, the bedrock upon which the other two pillars stand. It's the unwavering trust in the journey, the conviction that even if the path is obscured, it will lead you to your destination. Faith isn't blind optimism. It's the acceptance that setbacks are merely detours, not dead ends. Perseverance, the second pillar, is your relentless drive, your stubborn refusal to back down. It's the grit that keeps you going, the resolve that turns every no into a not yet. Perseverance isn't just about enduring, it's about enduring with purpose, about pushing through the storm with the knowledge that clear skies await on the other side. And then there's self-belief, the final pillar. It's the unshakable confidence in your abilities, the understanding that you are enough just as you are. Self-belief isn't about arrogance, it's about recognizing your worth and potential and refusing to be defined by past failures. Together, These three forces form an invincible trinity, a formidable alliance that can overcome any challenge, transform any setback into a comeback. They are not just steps, but leaps towards personal growth and success. Believe in yourself, keep pushing forward, and watch as your comeback story unfolds.